Happy POD, Miss. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create a quick but unique design on Canva. If you are new to my channel, I create videos on print on demand. I review items and unboxings. You can also listen and watch my podcast, Coins and Connections. Today I'm going to use a 5,000 by 5,000 canvas, and we're going to be creating like a flower word. I've seen this technique before and it's one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to type in flower. Actually, I'm going to type in purple flowers because I love purple flowers. I'm going to grab maybe 4 different flowers and kind of change the size. Let's see. Here's another one. You can like place them wherever you want, but we're going to go up and down in a vertical line. And like I said, just place the flowers however you want them. Kind of love using this because it kind of lets me see different flowers in the same like style family. I may put this one at the top and move this one down, make that a little bit smaller. I am making sure I center these. I'm gonna make this one a little bit smaller, bring this one out some, and I'm gonna position that to go forward on top of this flower. And I think I want to tilt it just a little bit to have that piece peek out. And then we are going to look for one more purple flower. That's like a light purple. I think we could throw that in there. And we're going to position that one to the back of both of those flowers. So like a little peek out there. I want to add in just a little bit of greenery. So let's look for flower petals. I'm looking for green. Maybe petals weren't the right words. I'm just gonna put green flower so I can get some greenery here. I want little simple things like this so I can make a little bit smaller and I can have them like peek out behind some of this. Here's another one that I'm going to pull here and kind of fold in that there, but I'm going to move it behind and then let it peek out just a little bit here. Let's see what else we can find. Some more greenery. I didn't mean to hit that again. Green leaves. And right now I'm just kind of like finding different things that I like, moving it around, seeing how I want to position it, putting it in the back. I'm going to position this in the back. Just a little bit of that is out on the side there. I'm going to look for a few more, different greenery. And trust and believe, like the ones that have like the colors, make sure if you want to change the colors of the greenery to make it look totally different than what it is, you can do that as well. Pull this one out just a little. There, and I'm gonna, so it can look like it's peeking from the back. Bring that down just a little bit. I feel like I need one more. Let's try this one. And I'm going to position that to the back as well. And it's kind of just peeking. Pull that down. Then I'm going to grab all of this together, move it down, look at it, see if I like that placement, and then I'm going to go over to some of my favorite letters here. Let's use this one, but I'm probably just going to use the bold letters. I think this is grouped together. I'm going to ungroup it. And I'm going to use the word smile. And Yellow actually looks good on this, but I think I may do white. I do want the words to be a little bit closer. Right? I'm gonna copy all of this, go to the spacing, make the words a little bit closer together. Then I'm gonna spread them out just a little bit. And this is where the fun part is gonna come in, because now we're gonna take some of those greeneries that we put in the back and we're gonna I wanna move them to, not completely to the front, but just to cover some letters. But I can actually get some more. Let's go to elements. Some of the things we've already gotten. You could take that flower and let's cover up a little bit of the S here. Just a tad. And what else we have? We have this little bug here that we can cover up just a little bit of our E. And put that there. And let's take this purple and put it gently. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, but we're gonna place it gently on this eye. Kind of looks like the flower somewhat coming out of the letter. You can make the transparency a little lighter to help see it and still create that illusion if you need to, that there's something there, but there's also something coming out of it. Really super cute smile floral design that I created. I'm gonna go ahead and download that. And then Canva normally has like these t-shirts or whatever, but if you really want to see what it looks like, I'm gonna put it on a black background and you see how vibrant the colors are and how vibrant it makes it and how it comes out. I'm gonna make this page bigger real quick. This is the full design and you have a unique floral design with flowers and lettering. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on showing you guys how to create a unique design on Canva. And until next time.
Thanks so much for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.